How do you fix Gamble with Your Friends is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library and then right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you'll need to add -dx11 and then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close Steam and then you'll need to open up a new browser tab and head to this link, which is going to be in the description. Then from this table, you'll need to install the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of these for the distributables. And once it's completed, it will require a computer restart. Now, after the restart, you will also need to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. So you will need to use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software to check for updates depending on your GPU. And then from the drivers tab, you can check for drivers and install the latest available update. Now the last thing you'll need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just open up the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.